How to add auto captions on Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to add auto captions on Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. So here you can see this is the project that I'm working on. You have to just import the project and then click this plus sign and add it to the track. And once you add it to the track, just click the video and select it. Now choose this text option and then choose auto captions over here. Once you choose the auto captions option, if you can't see it, just click this add text option and then choose auto captions. And then you have to just check this box clear current captions and click create. Now you have to wait for Capcut to create the auto captions, and here you can see that the speech has been recognized, and now you can see that it has added the auto captions over here. So that's the process that you can follow to add auto captions on Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.